Our counteroffensive has changed the course of the war. However, the western part of the continent and the area around the space elevator still remain under Erusian control. As you all know, this is because they have those damn arsenal birds controlling the skies around the lighthouse. So, we're going to use Stonehenge for a long-range attack against the arsenal bird. In addition to helping to destroy the asteroid, Stonehenge was also utilized by the Erusian forces as a weapon in the Continental War. However, the majority of the artillery is out of action after an air raid by the independent state Allied forces. When that happened, the main base was being repaired from the damage caused by the asteroid, so it managed to escape the bombardment. The Osean Army continued the repairs in secret and managed to reactivate its base systems. Once preparations are complete, it will be able to fire again. However, the officer in charge has yet to confirm whether it can be fired more than once. In other words, it is looking like we may have only one chance to be able to bring down one of those invulnerable arsenal birds. We're going all in on this one plan. The Erusian forces have detected our movements and are marching on Stonehenge. The arsenal bird is closing in, but if our operation goes as planned, we should be able to shoot it down before it reaches the operation area. We've set up strong points we call menhirs around Stonehenge. Provide them with air support, while keeping air superiority. Our mission is to protect Stonehenge until it can shoot down that monster bird. If we can shoot down even just one arsenal bird, it will significantly reduce the scale of the enemy's air defense network. Stonehenge is our only way of bringing down an arsenal bird. Missing is a luxury we cannot afford.
Strider Squadron, proceed to runway. Sortie ASAP.
Attention, all defensive and air support teams. In order to get up and running, what I need most from you is time. As long as you can provide me that, my program will bring down the arsenal bird.
That was Major Deanna McConey. I'm Warrant Officer Lehman, a specialist. We're now commencing the operation to destroy the arsenal bird.
It's gonna be a long fight. Don't waste any ammo.
So that's Stonehenge, huh? It's bigger than I imagined. Uglier, too.
Look at that mess of cables. Generator trucks to ride.
Are we sure that thing's even gonna fire? Seriously, I mean, how old is it?
If it doesn't, then I'll lock its run dry. I'd get praying if I were you.
Well, if it works, it'll bring down even an arsenal bird. Big if. And it'd have to hit.
Measure 6. Enemy tanks to the head. Located an enemy tank. Rochester, requesting close air support.
Measure 6. Request for air support confirmed. Help's on the way.
Listen up. Our job is to defend you here. That's all. You got it? This should be easy. Go on your paycheck. Excellent. We've halted. Pin them down!
Locked on, Bandit.
87 to 97.
Activating. We just need one shot.
This is Mid-Year 7. We've linked up with ground and air support and are ready to drive the enemy back.
Additional hostiles inbound. Great timing.
Bombers, bearing 190. Stonehenge won't survive a bomb run. You have to stop them.
Is everything gonna fire?
Handle the air defense.
Kick it into overdrive. Your only focus should be Stonehenge.
Allied aircraft, don't worry about us. Take out those bombers. We managed to drive off about half of the enemy
We've
ground.
only got 60% green. We've got 30% yellow, 10% is red.
Well, it has been sitting here rusting away for the past 20 years. I'd say a few glitches are to be expected. Hurry and verify the reds and yellows.
Wiping out the Roger. Defending Stonehenge.
This is Clipper. Target acquired. That's right. Target acquired.
This is Mid-Year 7. We are getting overrun. We need reinforcements.
Mid-Year 7 is hot. Let's go get him some help. Hostile bomber destroyed. Nice work. Keep Stonehenge safe for us.
Those fire squadrons are a real pain in the ass. Lure them away from the front lines with some sporadic fire. Missile fire. Evading.
Cyclops 3, Fox 2.
Initiating attack.
Power level is at 40%. 42%. Come on, damn it!
Come on, baby, be good. We need you.
That only scratched me up. Continue over combat. Infamous Stonehenge. I have no idea what you mean. Try and break those rats. Stonehenge. We're sitting ducks if we stay together. Roger.
Mid-Year 7 here. Enemy aircraft approaching. We're gonna clean this place out. If we don't get air support, we're dead. Can't afford to let Stonehenge fall. We're really counting on that air support. Okay, Joseph. We got the geodetic data.
Strider 1, Fox 2. Target hit. The enemy isn't letting up. There's just no end in sight. Target acquired.
More hostiles advancing towards Mid-Year 6. Ground forces haven't noticed yet.
Let's take out the enemy while our friends are still on their feet.
Locked on bandit. Oh, baby, we're saved! Whoever is flying the plane with 3 lines, I'm buying you a beer later.
Caution. Pull up.
There's no way we're letting them...
All enemies attacking Mid-Year 5 have been eliminated. Good job.
Missile.
This is Mid-Year 7. Enemy reinforcements. They're attacking your wings.
Missile.
Try to think like the enemy. You should know what their next action is.
To break me.
Strider 1, missile launched.
Nice. Target eliminated.
Leave the enemy aircraft to the LRSFG. Our target is on the ground.
More bombers. They're high. Altitude 8,000. Bearing 150.
The enemy's going all out, too. Crack them in half. They'll never want to...
Railgun power supply is... Damn it. Numbers aren't going up.
Bypass through the auxiliary condenser.
Come on, damn it!
Look at them, scattering like ants.
Missile.
Missile is closing. Strider 1, break.
Missile.
We can see the smoke from here. You get those bombers.
Yeah, and single-handedly.
The bird with the 3 lines. It's gotta be him.
Guess that's how you know it's important. Looks like we're helping shape history here.
We gotta take out the enemy base no matter what. Send in the tanks.
Missile. Missile.
Missile away.
Missile. Pull up.
fires.
I shut this stupid alarm clock. It's time to bomb Stonehenge. Get back to the Stonehenge.
Everything we've got at Stonehenge. What's it gonna take? We're struggling, and so are they. We just need to hold out for a little longer.
Stonehenge personnel, focus on your jobs. Don't stare out the windows.
This is Men here 6. We're taking heavy losses. I repeat, we need air support ASAP. Any chance for that air support? We successfully defended Men here 7. Good work, everyone. It's the LRSSG. Without them, we probably would have been the ones in trouble.
Missile. 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 Missile.
Attention, all defensive and air support teams. In order to get up and running, what I need most from you is time. As long as you can provide me that, my program will bring down the Arsenal bird.
That was Major Deanna McConey. I'm Warrant Officer Lehman, a specialist. We're now commencing the operation to destroy the Arsenal bird.
It's gonna be a long fight. Don't waste any ammo.
So that's Stonehenge, huh? It's bigger than I imagined. Uglier, too.
That mess of cables. Using generator trucks to run it.
Missile.
Are we sure that thing's even gonna fire? Seriously, I mean, how old is it?
If it doesn't, then our luck is run dry. I'd get praying if I were you.
Well, if it works, it'll bring down even an Arsenal bird. Big if. And it'd have to hit.
Missile.
Men here 6. Enemy tank to the head. Located an enemy tank. Lancaster, requesting close air support.
The target. Measure 6. Request for air support confirmed. Help is on the way.
Listen up. Our job is to defend here. That's all. You got it? This should be easy. Go on your paycheck.
Strider 1, locked on target.
Excellent. They've halted. Pin them down.
Strider 1, missile launched.
Cyclops 4, Fox 2.
Let me slide in on that tail. Missed!
This is Men here 6. The enemy ground forces have been eliminated. Much obliged for the air support.
Shooting at me.
All right, guys. This time you get a whole 45 seconds. Grab some chow or something.
Powering main system. Cold boost. Skipping sequences 47 to 97.
Activating. We just need one shot.
This is Men here 7. We've linked up with ground and air support and are ready to drive the enemy back.
Additional hostiles inbound. Great timing.
Missile. Missile.
Bombers, bearing 190. Stonehenge won't survive a bomb run. You have to stop them.
Missile.
We've only got 60% green. We've got 30% yellow, 10% is red.
Well, it has been sitting here rusting away for the past 20 years. I'd say these switches are to be expected. Hurry and verify the reds and yellows.
Missile.
Roger.
Missile. Missile.
Allied aircraft, don't worry about us.
Missile.
Take out those bombers.
Missile. 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 Missile.
That's the infamous Stonehenge. I had no idea it was working. Surprised it's still around.
Missile.
You're engaged, Fox 2.
Missile.
Breaking! We need to speed!
Watch out for anti-aircraft fire. We can't afford to lose anyone right now.
Right. Evading.
Enemy has a lock on you, Strider 1.
Men here 7 here. Enemy aircraft approaching. They're gonna clean this place out. If we don't get air support, we're dead. Line of sight.
Don't play with me. Chasing down his prey like a hungry falcon.
Strider 1, it's a launch.
One shot from Stonehenge and that Arsenal bird will be cooked.
Missile. Missile. Caution.
Mark 2.
Caution. Pull up.
Bandit fired. Initiating attack.
This one's wide open.
Pull up.
Can't afford to let Stonehenge fall. We're really counting on that air support.
More hostiles advancing towards Menhir 6. Ground forces haven't noticed yet.
Take out the enemy while our friends are still on their feet.
Don't let Stonehenge fire.
Strider 1, keep an eye on Strider Squadron. Make sure everyone gets back alive.
Caution. Pull up. Caution. Pull up.
Where's air support from men here 7? We can't do anything.
All enemies attacking Menhir 5 have been eliminated. Good job. The enemy isn't letting up. There's just no end in sight.
Enemy aircraft at the LRSS. Our target is on the ground.
Missile.
This is men here 7. Enemy reinforcements. They're attacking in waves.
Missile. Missile.
More bombers. They're high. Altitude 8,000. Bearing 150. The enemy's going all out, too.
Missile.
Railgun power supply is... Damn it. Numbers aren't going up.
Bypassing the auxiliary condenser.
Missile.
Come on, damn it!
Missile. 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 Shell running.
They're after me. I need cover.
Visual on target. Prepare for bombing run.
Take out all bombers.
Got the charge. Oh, baby, we're saved! Whoever is flying the plane with 3 lines, I'm buying you a beer later.
Caution. Pull up.
In gun range. They're attacking in waves. It's gonna be a grind. Strider, Cyclops, intercept those bombers.
This is Men here 5. We've engaged the enemy reinforcements. We're ready to take the door.
It's like goddamn whack-a-mole out here. I'm already exhausted.
Grit your teeth and fly. Remember that the fate of the whole war depends on this mission.
Stonehenge is taking fire. Remember, the mission relies on this place staying pristine.
The enemy's getting desperate. This operation is every bit as important to them as it is to us.
Missile.
Nice. Target
Time to bomb Stonehenge. Back to the Stonehenge.
warning! Missile in the air!
Missile. Pull up.
Target acquired.
What the hell? We're supposed to be the ones on the offensive. How did they get us on the ropes?
Missile.
We've wiped out half of them. Keep it up!
Missile. Missile.
This is Men here 7. We are getting overrun. We need reinforcements.
Menhir 7 is hot. Let's go give him some help.
They're running around like headless chickens. Why don't we put them out of their misery?
This is Slither. Mission accomplished. Looks like I needed a time. But that damn OC army. Why do they have to go in for civilians as their survey techs? I've had to take them out.
More guests. Bombers and their escorts. Bearing 170.
Oh, shit. I want to go smack them down, but those boys below are hanging on by a thread. You want me to choose?
Power level is at 80%. You think we should take our shot?
Patience. Don't want to waste everyone's hard work. Let's wait till 100.
I guess you're right. Give the fire control system one last check while we're waiting.
Roger. This is Men here 6. We're taking heavy losses. I repeat, we need air support ASAP. Any chance for that air support? This is Men here 6. That's the last of the enemy reinforcements. I gave my men a 15-minute vacation. Sorry, I need a short breather myself. I'll just be stitching on my lost limbs. Should be back before lunch.
What did you say?
Missile.
Time to punch through.
Missile.
More bombers approaching.
Move it!
Missile.
I didn't believe attacks were there.
Intercept looks bad. I don't think they're gonna make it.
Intercept them now.
Trigger, what the hell are you doing?
All enemy bombers have been destroyed.
Almost there. Should all be over soon. This is one ugly battle, but what a story for my kid.
Missile.
Catch you now.
Missile.
This is Men here 6. We're down to about half strength. Please, I want to save every last man possible. We need help.
Missile.
Engine 5 is in bad shape. Is anyone available to support?
Vehicle eliminated.
The enemy is raiding. Now's our chance to finish him off.
Smile. As long as you're not dead, it's a good day.
Everything we've got in Stonehenge. What's it gonna take? I don't think we're struggling. I can see what they combat. Just need to hold out for a little longer.
I've got a lot. Word's up.
Missile. Missile.
We've lost contact with Men here 6. Protect Stonehenge for them.
Get eating!
That should take care of the reinforcements facing Men here 5. Good going. There, now. This is getting the pilot's attention. Our guys can take care of business while we serve as decoys.
Missile. Missile. Missile.
Special delivery.
Missile.
Enemy rocket unit coming from the southwest. And helo-borne assault from the northeast. They're planning a direct assault on Stonehenge. Stop them.
Missile.
Regardless of their reinforcements,
Let's split up. Take whichever way you like. Okay, the helo unit's all yours, Trigger. Lead the way and eliminate the enemy. Cyclops will take the rocket unit.
Roger that.
In gun range.
Back up and rescue!
Missile.
Strider 1, missile.
Prepare to fire. They know we're here, so shoot them before they shoot us. How long till you're ready? Once we fire, that cannon will crumble and the battle will end.
Target is down.
Understood. Commencing mission. Chopper is on its way to Stonehenge.
We're doing everything we can to fire as quickly as possible. Just buy us some time until then.
Helo assault unit is down. If they had infiltrated Stonehenge, it would have been all over. Good work. Cyclops Squadron has eliminated the rocket unit. Keep it up. Strider 1, Fox 2.
You've given my program a lot of the time it needs. Stonehenge will be ready to fire shortly.
Stand by. Get up something on my radar. The signal is massive. It's the Arsenal bird.
I have visual. Arsenal bird confirmed. Here they come.
The swarm of UAVs is launching from the Arsenal bird. Keep them away from Stonehenge.
Missile.
Closer the target, fewer the variables. How long till we can fire?
Firing at 60.
Hear that? Keep us safe till then.
Fire control system inspection complete. Radar error correction. Good to go.
Missile.
Who's over in the survey vehicle?
Missile.
Releasing 60. Cooling system active.
Confirm voltage.
Voltage stable.
countdown.
Understood. Commencing final countdown.
Can we please
10,
finish this thing?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Missile. Missile.
Stop the countdown. We've lost the target. Starting to shut down?
Con? The stupid thing is flying in the open.
The survey data isn't updating. No response from our spotter.
Survey vehicle down.
Missile.
Those vehicles were Stonehenge's eyes. Without those,
Missile.
I'm sorry.
Missile.
Don't give up yet, Major. We still have sensors. Our eyes.
Missile.
The oldest sensors in the book.
Missile.
What are you scheming?
Missile.
They're too unreliable.
Not bad.
That's something.
Impossible. Routing circuit. We can't do any more. Half the battery containers are to carry out our mission.
Missile.
Come on, damn it!
Missile. Missile.
Attention, all personnel! We have a change in the mission. We will now be using direct fire to shoot down the Arsenal bird. Listen, attack the central propellers. If you can destroy them, the Arsenal bird will slow down.
Strider 1, Cyclops 1. Air up and attack that propeller. Everyone else, defend Stonehenge from the UAVs.
Wilco, Jaeger, you take the lead.
It's readying its APS.
I'm going. The propellers are too much for Trigger alone.
Damn glory hound. Do your friggin' job.
Cal, we need someone who can take down those UAVs. It's up to you.
Central propeller.
Missile.
Trigger, do not foobar this.
Unbelievable. Stonehenge came with honest-to-goodness range tables? I wasn't that curious.
What they were doing.
This whole operation is crazy.
Arsenal bird propeller destroyed.
Well, only a total madman could bring down the Arsenal bird.
Give us the UTM coordinates under the Arsenal bird, and we'll calculate the range. And I need you to be exact.
Cyclops 3 missile incoming. Look out.
I've been hit. I have you checked.
Forecaster, send a request for rescue. Conditions unclear. Expect some injuries.
60 seconds remain. Propeller stall.
Missile.
Give me a second. It's been a while since I've used something this archaic. Does the angle on this table count for wind and only on four?
Continue with his flag from here. Not much wind. Rest is just instinct.
Just losing lift.
Missile.
Arsenal bird propeller stall. 30 seconds remain. Don't give up. Cyclops 4's been hit. Primo right.
I'm fine. We can't lose any more allies.
Knock that off. Push yourself too hard and you're dead. Get back to base.
All right, that takes care of the propellers. Arsenal bird is slowing down.
I knew my faith was well placed, Trigger.
Power level is 100%.
Missile.
We've done our part. Stonehenge, shoot.
Missile.
Understood. Begin final countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Adjusting angle.
3, 2, 1. Fire! Hit, damn it!
Yeah! Oh yeah! Hot damn!
Is it really over now?
Reporting mission success. Lehman, this victory belongs to you. That was a good lesson on the importance of manual control.
Today's MVPs are the LRSSG.
I'll say, especially those two lead birds. They're the Ocean big shots. We can win if we follow them. The Ocean big shots?
You mean the Ocean Big Shot?
Looks like we're on the offensive now. The enemy's defensive range dropped along with that Arsenal bird.
That just means more pie for us.
Are we gonna eat the whole thing?
The brass is always hungry for more. They've got a bottomless appetite. But enough about that. Get some rest now before the counterattack.
1, Attention, all defensive and air support teams. In order to get up and...
The mission succeeded, but at a great cost. This victory marks a strategic turning point. The enemy has only one Arsenal bird left, and the defensive grid around the space elevator has been decimated. We can expect a counteroffensive by Osean forces everywhere.